in this 35 years of service, as we humbly look back at the love, reputation that we have acquired from the industry and from our customers, it reminds us that our customers are the ones that have kept us moving with these times. So now, as we recall the 3 decades of building Hyderabad, I would like to share some glimpses of our journey so far to keep you guys engaged and informed as we continue to adapt, evolve and innovate. Thank you.
as in the stimulus journey. Currently this year we are growing 35 years, as we already seen, and the stimulus journey we are very glad that we played a substantial role in the flying growth of the Hyderabad real estate sector for the last 3.5 decades. As we accelerate from here, we want to reinforce our robust leadership in this real estate sector and also set new benchmarks in the industry. On this note, I would like to take 1 minute to reflect on our past accomplishments and the future plans. Only with a strong vision and deep philosophy, we at My Home have continuously witnessed progressive learning curve in terms of construction technologies, let it be brick and mortar technology to the latest precast technologies, or vehicular free movements from 4 acres to 4 acres developments, platinum graded green building projects, and also the central cooling spaces for the residential apartments and many more. Our residential projects echo the latest global lifestyle developments and amenities, be it introducing the first premium apartments with swimming pool and terrace garden in 1998 with My Home Fernhill, or also introducing clubhouse facilities with jogging tracks with My Home Navadipa in 2005, and the first gated community with prepaid meters for electricity, water, gas and fiber to home connection for 2000 plus homes in My Home Jewel in 2010. We have always been a trendsetter. We are happy to say that we have built 10,000 plus happy homes. Here I would like to mention what our beloved chairman always used to say to our design team, that you should always make the housewife happy. She should always bless you but not curse you. So we take extreme care in the vastu or the quality of the construction or the planning of the projects. True to our name, we are also home to some of the largest multinational companies like Facebook, Qualcomm, Micron, Infor in our commercial projects. There is a lot of excitement in our commercial segment where we have recently delivered the Skyview project in a record time of 2 years. We've also completed the Twiza project, and we have big plans for the commercial segment to cater to the ever-growing need of the Hyderabad IT hub. Our next project is a first of a kind commercial project, is a first of a kind project in Kokapet with a built-up area of 25 million SFT. I think recently you have seen the newspapers also. We plan to construct this in a span of 8 to 10 years with an investment of close to $2 billion. In this commercial project, we are trying to bring in the latest technologies like the precast technologies, BIM models with 6D modeling, and central district cooling systems. It's the first in the country. So we are exploring all the latest technologies for this commercial project. Apart from the two P's, which is planet and profit, we also take good care of our people here. Testimonial to that is that during the pandemic, we have taken such good care of all our workers across all our sites, and as a result, when the entire industry was struggling to get back, we could quickly come back to normalcy and deliver all our projects without even a single day delay and within the timelines. I think this was possible for all the staff support and the partners who have supported us in the difficult times. I would also like to express my gratitude to all the My Home family members, and also a big thank you to all the employees, partners, our vendors, and especially our customers who's been strongly behind us for the last 35 years and making My Home what it is today. As a second generation, we all are committed to take this group to the next heights with the similar principles, what has been guided by our chairman from the last 35 years. I wish all of you a happy Ugadi and a happy weekend. Thank you for all of you for coming today.
We thought it would be nice for us to, take a pause and try and reflect upon what we've done so far, and it kind of, gives us great pride to look back and see what has been achieved so far. It is just not the work that we've done in terms of the business aspect of it, but if you see how we've impacted so many families and lives and communities, not just as a corporate, but as a humanitarian aspect of it in terms of what we've delivered and what we have done so far. So we thought it'll be great to, kind of interact with you people and, carry the message forward in terms of what's been done so far. So I think I would like to appreciate our team and Rajta and everyone else who thought it'll be a great idea to do this, because we are normally known to be a little more media shy company. although I think we're trying to change that because we've been always focused in the work that we do. So I'd like to thank everyone who's here to kind of, take this initiative and come and listen to us. So I just want to touch upon a few points. If you see, my home over the last 35 years has grown from a very small company which has been started by my father, Dr. Rameshwar Rao. Unfortunately, he's not here for various other reasons. But to just reflect upon that, he started off this company in a small, on his own. He was the first generation entrepreneur. He started off as a doctor and then an accidental entrepreneur. And then the journey begins there. And then from a small real estate company to becoming the pioneer in this industry, not just construction, but also the allied industries of cement, and we've gotten into a little bit of pharma and now into media and, the other sectors of power and education. So we believe my home has to be there wherever we can make a difference in the life of people. So that has been the motto and the center of our core values. And when we look back, we always believe my home should be remembered not for its corporate excellence in terms of our numbers or our growth or profitabilities, but the core value of ethical and humanitarian values which our chairman takes the most pride in. So I think today is a sort of a commemoration of that thought process of our chairman, where he believed business is all about giving to the society. And that I would like to drive. This organization is going to stand here for the coming days. I think we have a great platform that has been given to us, and this is just the beginning. We have larger plans for the company, the state, the city, and the country as well. We believe we are all nation builders in our own, way that we contribute, and I believe we will definitely lead that way as it comes to the sector and the industry that we are reflecting from. And I would just like to say that, real estate is the flag bearer of the economy right after agriculture. So this sector has always been the great driver of the economy, and it reflects upon the status of our economy and how the country is headed. So I think we are happy to say that Hyderabad per se is doing great, and we have great plans in the coming days. We have large plans for the all sectors. In fact, pandemic has been something this year which no one has anticipated. And in the initial days of lockdown, everyone thought, this is it. This is going to call the doomsday on the sector or businesses. I mean, it was a scary time. Offices were shut down. People didn't know what we were looking at. I mean, it was the fear of the unknown as it comes. So I think we've never seen, I think this is one such incident which has come in 100 years now. So I think it was new for everybody to face, and fortunately for us, given the core values of where we stand and our outlook in terms of what we are supposed to be doing during this time, it's not just the business which was hit, but we also believe that there were a lot more families and communities and people which needed support. So during COVID lockdown, our projects team especially, where we have almost about 10,000 laborers working in various sites, have worked day and night to ensure that their lives are not dead. We've ensured all through the 2 months of lockdown, not a single person had to leave our sites. We've ensured that they were taken care of. We've given them foods and supplies and supported their families by transferring some money into their things so that they don't have to migrate. We've taken great care of it. I think even we have to appreciate the state government for working with us in this endeavor of ensuring that we've seen what's happened in other states and across the country where migrant laborers were the worst hit. So we took it upon ourselves to ensure that none of that happens wherever we are connected. So I think we've done a tremendous job there. We've ensured that all of them were taken care during the time of hardship which all of us faced. And coming back to the real estate sector, within 2-3 months of lockdown, people thought, this is it, we're going to start seeing a downturn, but surprisingly enough, I think the market has, Hyderabad especially, has turned around. Residential has been better than ever before. I think a lot of it is to do with the importance that pandemic has brought into our lives in terms of importance of a house, owning a house and having your own space. And with the amount of time all of us spent with our families, I think that gave a thought to people that, we should own our house and the amount of time that we spend within. I think it has reflected upon that a lot, and we've seen that translate into numbers because our numbers have been the best ever in the last 6-8 months post the lockdown in fact. So it was a very surprise for us also because given the economic impact we thought there will be a downturn and we'll have to prepare for it. But surprisingly so, as it comes to the residential space, we've seen great numbers, and I think a lot of it was to do with the communities that we are building. People started appreciating the amenities and the activities that happens within the communities as well. So I think that has made a big difference in the lives of people because all of us before this were on a 9 to 5 clock, and by the time you get back home you change and you go back to sleep and then back into life. But I think this gave us a moment to pause and see what's actually happening, and I think it gave a great opportunity to all of us to understand right from our partners to children to your members of the family, everyone so well in terms of the interactions that we could have. I think it was a blessing in disguise, I would say, in terms of what is coming through pandemic, in terms of the other activities of our life. Of course, we'll have to fight this pandemic together, take our precautions and ensure that we face this challenging times and come out. I'm sure the government is doing its job in terms of vaccination, and sooner than later we will be out of it and look back upon the times that is the hardships that we had to go through. And I would like to thank everyone who is here for being here and listening to our journey so far. And so like I was saying, our chairman always believed that real estate is a space which always had to be driven by location and location alone. So, and of course we've built communities wherever we have built. We have done a great job in terms of giving amenities and the kind of lifestyle that we wanted people to enjoy as a home which we would personally live in. So right from our planning stage to the execution, we've always put ourselves at the center of our customers' point and where and how they would experience these spaces. So I think that's helped us a lot in terms of understanding the journey so far and our customers' requirements. We've always revolved around their needs to understand what is it that they would need within a home, within the the complex, within the community and the spaces that we need. And post-pandemic, now we are coming up with projects where we create an extra space for their offices and little bit more of a working environment to be created within the housing development as well. And we're also trying to create some co-working spaces within our communities in the clubhouses so that they don't have to go out in terms of office requirement when the second and the third wave, as we are seeing now, is coming along. So a lot of initiatives. I think we believe a dynamic interaction with our customers, with the existing ecosystem that is around us, helps in understanding the needs better, and we've always strived to do that, and we've been open in our conversations and any positive criticism in terms of what needs to be done, and we're always reaching out to our people to understand what can we do next to better from what we've done earlier. I think it is this motive of ours which ensures that we keep ourselves ahead in terms of creating a benchmark for the industry. And we've so far, with all our communities, right from Navdeepa back in '96 to Avatar and Bhuja for now, these are destinations that we're trying to create, not just for the location, but in terms of the kind of lifestyle and the kind of need that people would want within their communities. I think we have a lot more such projects planned. I think now we are coming up with large township developments in Kokapet and Tellapur, where we would want to ensure the walk-to-work environment and not just apartment or not just an office, but an environment where people can stay within a city by itself, micro market as such. So we're trying to create an entire ecosystem where right from their education of their children to schooling, the office, their commercial and social needs, right to their hospital requirements. So we're trying to engage all of that within our developments in the future projects in Tellapur. And that will be our next focus for the next 8 to 10 years as far as Resi is concerned and the larger township requirements. Whereas, as Ram has already mentioned, we are coming up with the single largest integrated business park, as we would call it, in Kokapet, which will be our flagship project in terms of our commercial drive. We are building a large portfolio there. That will going to be a very key area of our focus in terms of our business plan. And I think today, as to commemorate our 35 years of existence, we thought it will be nice to start off with a virtual viewing and buying homes online platform. So as of now, people had to come to our offices, sit down and talk to us and figure it out. But given the pandemic times have given us a thought, and why not we create a technology platform where people can interact without having to come down. They can make their bookings online. So I think we are headed towards that direction. I think today we are going to launch that on our sales platform. I would like to call upon Vinod to give the cue for getting started with the launch of our online booking platform. I think from today onwards, I think we can start taking our bookings online as well if one wishes to make the transaction completely on the technology part of it on the online platform. From Ugadi. Okay. I think we'll start that from Ugadi. And so this is where it is, and I think the last 35 years has been a great journey for us. And I think in the next 1 year we have a lot of residential projects that are going to be launched. I think from here onwards we are going to grow at a rapid scale given the potential of the market that has come in the last 4 or 5 years. Post the formation of Telangana, there has been a huge kind of a growth in the commercial space where a lot of MNCs have come into this market. We are the second largest office market and very close to Bangalore in terms of our numbers at about 10-11 million square foot. So I think this has given a huge upstart for the market in terms of the scale and volume that can grow. I think and we are geared up to provide for that market, and we are coming up with about 35 million square foot of space in terms of resi or office over the next 5 to 8 years. I think there will be quite a large significant number coming from one player in a particular market. So that's one thing, and I would like to thank everyone from the My Home family and express my gratitude. A big thank you to all of my employees, our associates, our partners, our vendors, our media family who's supported us all along.
Which is my pioneer company, started in 1986. On the occasion of this 35 years completion, I welcome all members who traveled with me, who were all supported My Home family. I used to tell all my senior colleagues, employees who joined with me, who started with me, housewife should bless us. However intelligent you are, housewife should bless you. Otherwise you will not prosper. That is the philosophy which we inculcated in the My Home family. As I started lonely with me, my focus was on the core values of the practices what My Home should do. With few people I started, then it is more than 10,000 employees works with the My Home associated companies. Today My Home has become a household name in Hyderabad. For the confidence which they kept on me, I am so thankful to all the My Home family members, all the associates who associated traveled with me. I wish all good luck and I pray for great success and happiness. As time traveling, a lot of things changed. People expectations also has gone up. A lot of technology innovation also has to be implemented. That is the beauty of the My Home. As timings, we have been updating, introducing the technology and quality people into the My Home family. That could make us so success, and this philosophy, whatever we promise is to deliver. More than that, timelines, quality is to speak about the growth of this company. And also My Home is planning a lot of future pipeline projects. We are into education, we are into entertainment. I advise to the younger generation, be truthful, work hard, be focused, the job which you take over. Therefore success automatically comes. My Home believes always My Home is taking the leadership in the Hyderabad market, in the innovation and using the technology, creating a beautiful atmosphere in the apartment owners. That is what always My Home is taking the leadership.